Hi everyone! Tonight we are finally doing an unboxing of BTS. These dolls were on sale, maybe started at $20, and Mom and Nana found them at Five Below, of course $5, and I have the whole collection. So tonight we're going to open them. Let's get started. I'm gonna pull out hands to hold all these. BTS. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed opening all these as much as I did.